Take a minute to learn how to bookmark a web page. I'll demo in Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. Here's an article on one of my favorite websites. In Chrome, click on the star in the URL bar. In the little pop-up edit box, you can change the name and location. I always change the name because I don't like long titles on my bookmark bar. In fact, I often leave the name field blank. You can see that my bookmarks bar is mostly icons with little or no text. By default, your bookmark will go to the bookmark bar, but you can change that and put it in a different folder if you choose. If your bookmark bar is not showing, look at the very top of the screen. It's just off the recording screen here. Click on the word View and then select Always Show Bookmark Bar. In Firefox, the process is almost identical. Click on the star in the URL bar and then make your preference selections here. If the bookmark bar is not showing, click on the word View and then Toolbars, Bookmark toolbar, and then make your selection here. Safari is a little different. When you are on the page you want to bookmark, click on the Share button and then Add Bookmark. In the pop-up window, make any changes you want to make and then click Add. In Safari, it's not called a bookmarks bar, but a favorites bar. If your favorites bar is not showing, click on View and then Show Favorites bar.